Beautiful clear sky. No operations today, no aircraft, no geoengineering operations. Check out the moon. The moon shows where the sun is above my head. Tide is going out. And as soon as it goes below the horizon, the tide will be coming back in. A very distinct horizon because the earth is circular like every other object we see. Pretty good shot of the moon though. So I get a picture. Daytime moon. Tide is going out. The lack of knowledge of the planet the people have is amazing. But no geoengineering operations today. Standing by.